Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how you can format SD card on this device. So to get started, let's open up our settings. And in here, you want to navigate to storage. In storage, you will see a drop-down menu when you have a SD card inserted. So you want to click on it and select whatever is the other option displayed outside of the option that is already here, this device. This device always refers to the phone storage. Any other option here will always be the SD card. And the reason I'm kind of clarifying this is because sometimes it might be named Android. Sometimes it might be named SD card or Samsung SD card or whatever else. So just know that. Now once you have it selected, you can click on the three dots in the corner right here and select format. And we're going to select format again. And once more, before I do that, I do want to talk about this message. So format this SD card. This Samsung SD card needs to be formatted to store photos, videos, music, and more. Now it doesn't need to be. I can use it as it is. So this is kind of a misinformation, but whatever. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So this is the more important portion. Now if you have something that you want to keep, maybe plug it into your computer, copy it over, and then you can format it. Now when you select format, it goes through a very quick format process. So it should be right about done any moment now. Come on. Come on. Okay, maybe a little bit longer than... Oh, there we go. Quick moment. So, as you can see, once it's formatted, it gives you this message, SD card formatted. You can start using your Samsung SD card. I mean, I could have used it before too, but anyway, let's click on done, and that's it. You can see it's formatted, and now we have only 2.8 megabytes used. So that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.